All right, now to new research that sheds light on how COVID-19 affects pregnant women. Thank you for staying with us for this half hour. I'm Brian Abel. The study took place in Scotland, and researchers found expectant mothers who were infected and unvaccinated were more likely to suffer severe complications. So for more on this, let's bring in our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi. Dr. Nandi, good afternoon. How many pregnant women caught COVID in this study, and what were the outcomes?
So Brian, a really important study, and it showed that, how vaccines are protecting pregnant women. The scientists analyzed pregnancies in Scotland between March 2020 and October 2021. And here's what they found: that a total of 4,950 expected mothers with confirmed case of COVID-19. And Brian, guess how many people are unvaccinated here? 77.4% of them. And not only were the unvaccinated pregnant mothers more likely to get infected, but 90.9% ended up hospitalized. So now we know COVID can be rough on pregnant women. And this study found also, Brian, that 104 expectant moms needed critical care. And of that group, 98.1% had not been vaccinated. So pretty important numbers.
Did it matter, Doc, when the expectant mother became infected? And what about preterm birth rates and infant deaths?
Yeah, so Brian, the further along the women were in their pregnancy, the higher the hospital admissions. Researchers found that in the first trimester, 6.7% of infections with COVID were associated with any hospital admission. By the time third trimester rolled around, the number of infections associated with any hospital admission was 33.5%. And when you look at preterm births, right, the scientists found that 16.6% of expectant moms diagnosed with COVID gave birth before 36 weeks of pregnancy. That's a high number compared to the general population. And that number for the general population was 8% compared to 16.6. And for your question concerning infant deaths, and those are called prenatal deaths, meaning right after birth or in the late stages of pregnancy. None of these deaths involved expectant moms who had been vaccinated. So none with moms who had been vaccinated. But for the expectant moms who had chosen not to get the vaccine, there were 22.6 deaths per 1,000 births. And if you look at what it is in the general population, that rate is 4 times higher than the general population in Scotland.
We know here in the U.S., roughly 42% of pregnant women are fully vaccinated. I know many are hesitant, but the CDC does say it's safe for expectant mothers to get vaccinated, right? Is there a myth here to dispel?
Is a really important question, Brian. Absolutely, 100%. The CDC says COVID-19 vaccines are recommended for people who are not only are pregnant, but who are trying to get pregnant. So there's some people who are trying to get pregnant, they're worried about getting the vaccine. CDC says it's safe for them too. And it's also safe for women who are breastfeeding, right? So in my opinion, the study shows that getting vaccinated, when you're pregnant is not only safe, but it can actually help pregnant and expectant moms from severe disease and help protect their growing babies. So super important study, and I'm glad we're talking about it.
All right, Dr. Nandi, appreciate your time and expertise as always. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You as well. And don't forget to tune in to the Dr. Nandi Show this weekend. On Sunday, Dr. Nandi is talking about the importance of purpose is examined. Again, that's this Sunday at 5 p.m. right here on 7.